Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look on the Bitcoin market. So Bitcoin currently stands in the epicenter of all events because it historically treated as a most volatile asset, and when something is happening, he becomes the first asset that's fall under the massive sell-off, which is actually, you could see what really has happened. So the recent initiatives of the Donald Trump, especially in imposing different tariffs, some piking here and there with the China, with the European Union leaders and other on the domestic arena, all this makes investors be nervous. And last actually idea of the imposing tariff in 25% in the European Union has triggered significant sell-off on the stock market. Actually, this is not the first sell-off. It is already actually lasting for some time, but that probably was important. And actually, investors currently, those who keep long position on the stocks, now getting the big negative revaluation of the margin, because many investors trading on the stocks using the derivatives and margin positions. So the margin calls are screaming, and they need to be filled to the initial levels. That's why, while they are trying to hold existing positions, they need to cash. Correspondingly, they start selling everything that they could. The same performance you could see on the gold market, for example, that's also falling. So this is actually the byproduct of this process that we see currently. From the technical point of view, on the monthly chart, we see not good sign, because market currently stands below the lows of the high wave pattern. There's only 2 sessions until the close of the February, today and tomorrow. If market will close below the lows of the high wave, it will be negative side on the Bitcoin, supposing that maybe it will not be the break of all hopes, but at least deep retracement might happen. And so will not be surprised if market will retest the broken top. This easily might happen. So this is obviously bearish. On the weekly chart, double repo that we have talked about has worked perfect. Yes, it slightly hasn't reached the 81 target, but this is not the end probably. Bitcoin will remain under pressure until the sell-off on the stock market will exist, and actually not occasional insiders and no Warren Buffett are sitting on the big packs of the cash and are selling American stocks. Now mostly the buyers are the households, the population in the United States. And here, if we wouldn't have the oversold condition, I am sure that market could touch the minimum target of the double repo yesterday. In general, the process has started, and all that we talked about this double repo, now you can see it has worked perfect. So, falling to the next time frame on the daily chart, market also stands at oversold. And currently market hits the strong support area into 83.86 is confluence support, forming the double top. So technical picture suggests that this is not good position for taking new shorts. We need to wait for some technical response, technical bounce, because of the oversold and because of the strong support area that we have. So potentially the double top, and using classical shape here, suggests the target might be around precisely 68.50, 68.50-70, right around the previous tops that we talked about here. But for now, we are more interested in what's going on in lower time frames. So recalling our yesterday last time discussion, here's the hand shoulders pattern that we considered and the triple to buy, and we said that this is the point where market has to either start upward action or it will collapse. And the conclusion that we have made that keep an eye on an area between these lows and the right arm. Once market will start falling, breaking below this area on halfway, it will be clear that the market stands in a free fall. Market should not drop this low, should not break the right arm if it's still bullish. So here is where the situation has become clear, and you can see what has followed. Now, when the market stands at the support, here's the levels that we could consider. First of all, the neckline of the double top on the daily chart seems interesting. And also you could see that this neckline stands very close to the confidence resistance, 92.50, 92.86. So I suppose that we could stay focused on this area, and that might be the next level where we could consider short position taking if the technical background still will exist. I mean that the stock market will remain under pressure, keep falling, and that will make investors to keep selling the other assets, and Bitcoin correspondingly also will be under pressure. So that is towards what we have. For now, we're not considering taking new shorts because market stands overextended, but we need to get some rally to sell into. If you'd like to buy, you could do this only on the intraday charts with the nearest ending targets just for one session for a few hours. But first, you need to get clear bullish signs on the bottom. Currently, I do not see anything yet. So market just has reached this destination point and hasn't formed yet anything. If you will get some minor pattern, you can try accurately buy with a minor retracement for a minor retracement. But this is obviously not our primary strategy for now. We are not considering long positions because we have bearish context in all time frames. This is only for your scalping purposes if you're trading on the, I don't know, 30-minute chart maybe. So that is towards what we have. Let's keep watching. And currently, situation looks so that in the perspective of the few weeks, we could get even deeper retracement on the Bitcoin market.